Hello and welcome to Technofied. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Omegle on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. To use Omegle, you don't need any app. All you need to do is go to your browser. After you go to your browser, you can search for Omegle. Then you can see the Omegle link over here. Just go ahead and tap on it. And talking about Omegle, it is a great way to meet new friends. When you use Omegle, you are paired randomly with another person to talk one-on-one. If you prefer, you can add your interest and you will be randomly paired with someone who selected some of the same interest as you. To help you stay safe, chats are anonymous unless you tell someone who you are. It is not recommended, and if you want to stop the chat, you can do it anytime. Omegle video chat is moderated, but no moderation is perfect. Users are solely responsible for their behavior while using Omegle. You must be 18 or older to use Omegle, so if you want to read the terms and services, you can click on these links over here. Let's go ahead and tap on video, and you can see that there are two ways of signing in. You can either connect with Facebook or Google. Let's go ahead and go to Google, wait for a while, and you can now sign in using your Google account. So let's go ahead and select the Google account which you have, wait for a while, and you will be signing to your Omegle account. You can see this video option. Let's go ahead and tap on video. As soon as you do it, just go ahead and tap on allow, because we are going to allow Omegle.fun to use our camera and microphone. As we are going to video chat, go ahead and tap. So you can see the video has been enabled and you can start matching. So in a while you will be matched with your random friend. So you can see that. Make sure your face is clearly visible in the camera frame is being shown. You are getting matched with this person over here. So you can click on stop anytime you want, and you can chat with these persons as well. So it's quite easy and helpful. As you can see that we can start pairing. We will be paired with some guys and girls as well. And you can see the add friend option. Let's go ahead and next. You can see there are no minors over here. You can see people can skip as well. This is quite it, guys. This is how you can use Omegle. You can see the store option over here. If you want to buy more coins, you can do this. Some of the costs are $4.99, $9.99, $19.99, $40, $80.99, or something like this. So you can see the plus version over here. You can see the unlimited gender filter over here. If you want to buy it, there are two options. They are for 30 and 7 days. It will cost you $39.99 and $6.99 each. You can go ahead and click on continue, and you will get the gender according to your wish. So you can see the install icon. You can click on install, click install, and the Omegle website will be installed on your phone. And you can see this Omegle has been added to your home screen, has come. We can go to our home screen and Omegle will be found over here somewhere. So let's go ahead and search for Omegle on our menu, and we'll definitely find it. So let's go ahead and search for it over here. So if you don't find it, you can go back to your home screen and you can locate Omegle. So you can see as Omegle is currently installing, it will not be shown, but it'll be shown in a while and you can use it. So it's quite easy. If you want to use your profile and if you want to change some of your settings, you can click on any profile which is over here. Now you can add your name, some of your abouts, which are your hobbies, status, secrets, and spirit animal. Your age, you can change your age as well, the gender, and your location. Go ahead and tap on save after you do this, and you can change all of these. So this is how you can use Omegle. First of all, you can see the video option over here. Just go, and you can see that now you're connected to Omegle and you are talking about these friends. So you can see that if people don't like you, they will just go ahead and skip it. And you can do the same as well. So you can see the stop option. Just go ahead and tap on stop, and you can stop talking to the people as well. So this is how you can use Omegle on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.